I am not a doctor. This is my own and insignificant student Aaron Iso Pescasio's notes. Back in my high school days, I used to retype again and again my notes for Histoire Géo and other classes on the keyboard. Years later, I created this Python app to train my word per minute and my memory. I type as fast as I can, and while typing, I repeat each phrase in my mind. The base of the code comes from Tech with Tim, who I highly recommend to watch for Python projects to create. Tim's code is available in his GitHub. The changes I've done to the code were remove the random selection of phrases in the txt file, possibility to escape after each phrase, keep track of each cycle, and have an average of word per minute after each cycle. If you have not installed Python yet, install it with this PowerShell command. You will need to have pip and the module Windows Curses installed. Then create a new Python file and fill it up with this code. You'll also need to have an inputs.txt file containing the phrases inside the same folder. That's pretty much it. I did recently buy a walking treadmill, so I'll be able to train while walking. According to some Alzheimer's studies, walking can help with maintaining cognitive health and improvements in processing speed. Also, I have a grandpa who can still drive a Jeep at 85 years of age. Obviously not driving every day, but on very rare occasions, he's able to do it. According to him, his body and mind are healthy thanks to walking and only eating fish and mungo. He avoids all other meats. My aim with this channel is to record the free and open source projects that I did to learn a language like Python and AI and Microsoft tools. Like many people have said, to actually learn a language like Python, you should not only follow tutorials, but instead create your own projects. For example, I followed this tutorial of Tech with Tim to create the WPM app. Afterwards, I transformed it myself to an application that I would actually be using. I also used other languages like JavaScript to create mundo.apescasio.fr to share my journey as an insignificant traveler through a clickable 3D world map. One Instagram, one country, one city, one culture. My next video in September will be on the creation of ISO, a Copilot Studio Agent AI for IT department. and for HR department, it will be middle. For professional inquiries, I'm him at APESCASIO.FR. For personal inquiries, you can get in touch with me through Discord, Instagram, Twitter at him.apescasio. Thank you for your time.